The Blartenix common package now includes a game settings functionality. This will help you to manage multiple properties of your game, such as language, which is integrated with the multi-language system of this package, the graphics, these are the quality that you've defined for your game, the resolution, the full screen, and the game volumes. This menu is included in the prototyping elements of the package, so it's a prefab that you can just drag to your scene, and it works using a game settings scriptable object. Sorry, is in this? Is it this? That you can create within this project window context menu by navigating to create Blartenix game settings. This game settings is the one that controls the value of these properties, and you can have a reference of it in your components if you need. Uh, Now let's see it working in the build. So we have my scene, and if I open my settings menu, you can see now I can change language, everything in runtime. You can change the graphics, the resolution of my game, for example, maybe something really bad, and if I want it the full screen or not, you can see, and reset the values if you want. The values of the game settings properties are stored in the player pref file. So you have to keep in mind that these properties are stored with a key, with a unique key, so that the system could work. You have to keep in mind that. Check the game settings script to know which key are for each property. And also for the volumes of the games, the game settings object requires an audio mixer that would handles the volumes for the music and for the sound effects. In this case, we create one in the prototyping folder. You can see here it has three groups. In this case, the master, the music, and the sound effects. The master, we are not referencing him in the game settings, but we do for the music and the sound effects. You can see here that we have two exposed parameters: the music volume, which is for the music group, and the sound effects volume, which is for the sound effects. What you have to do is be careful that the names you set for the parameters here are the same. You have to write here for the settings so the system could work. And in the audio source components, for example, audio source, what you have to do is in the output property set the master. If it's a sound effects, set sound effects. If it's music, set music, and that will work. And that's gonna be all. The system internally will handle the volume of this audio source.